Kameme TV's Deejay Frank the Deejay nĩatigĩtwo na kĩeha kĩnene mũno. He has lost a fellow DJ. DJ ũrarĩ ngumo mũno na ũrarĩ igweta mũno. Mũcũ akĩmenyekana na gũthaka nyĩmbo cia reggae gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ has sadly rested. DJ Lastborn nĩarakorirwo akĩhurũka na andũ maraitigwo na kĩeha kĩnene mũno thutha wa ndeto ici cia gĩkuũ gĩkĩ gĩake. His sudden death shocked so many. Mũcũ, mafans na fellow DJs matongoretio nĩ Frank the DJ akĩmũcakaya aihũrĩtwo nĩ ruo rũingĩ mũno, aremetwo kũhingĩrĩria maithori na kĩeha gĩake, akiuga ma this is hard, nĩ ũndũ mũritũ mũno gwĩtĩkĩra atĩ DJ Lastborn nĩakorwo akĩhurũka. Na he took to his social media pages na gũkorwo agĩpen a painful goodbye message and tribute kũrĩ DJ Lastborn na oho kũmĩrĩria family ya DJ Lastborn ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ iritũ, magĩcakaya mwendwa wao tondũ ma his death was so sudden and it has left so many in pain and in tears. Frank the DJ akiuga this week has been hard bana, so sad to hear DJ Lastborn has passed on. Deepest condolences to family and friends. Na DJ Lastborn is said to have died in his sleep. Arakomire na ndanagĩũkĩra, but some years back he had suffered stroke that was in 2017. Na sister yake akiumbũra atĩ ever since he suffered the stroke she had been taking care of him. Na he had been making tremendous improvement. Na in fact the night before he passed away, the previous night, they had spent the night chatting and talking, and then he requested to go to bed, to retire to bed. Na that's when he slept and didn't wake up. Na nĩ igũtha inene mũno kũrĩ the entire music industry, kũrĩ family ya DJ Lastborn. May God give them strength ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ iritũ, ona nginya kũrĩ Frank the DJ onake, may God give him strength na gwĩtĩkĩra gĩkuũ kĩa DJ Lastborn. Rest in eternal peace DJ Lastborn. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.